My wife wanted some yard games, so I decided to build a huge Jenga set using some 2x4 lumber. So I started taking measurements and found that each block has to be 10.5 inches long for the entire set to be square. I also found that I needed 54 blocks for the average set. So I started cutting and cutting, which made a large mess, but not as much of a mess as all of the sanding. Each of the blocks needed to be sanded to remove splinters and rough edges, so kids and adults could play without worrying about injury. Fortunately, my son provided an extra hand to make this process a little more enjoyable. Here's the before and after. We also made a simple wood box for storage and transport. On a warm day, we took the game outside for testing. My son helped stack all of the blocks and a challenge began. We were actually quite surprised with how tight and level all of the blocks were together. It made the game a little more challenging than we expected. In fact, as the tower of blocks grew, we were more and more surprised how sturdy it remained. And then, completely unexpectedly, the tower came crashing down.
Oh,
I didn't touch it! I didn't touch it!
it was still your turn though.
But I didn't touch it.
Ah.
Okay, he had the last move. I hadn't touched it yet, so who won the game? Tell me what your thoughts are in the comments.